Hey, Asante. Good night. Let's say. I will say, hey, dear. I said, in a good mood.
I heard them marry. I met you on good mood.
And you know, I say, oh, and I would want because we share who we are there and so much. Oh,
Scanty. I don't buy some treat me.
Yes, I sent a madam treat you situation with them a treat you class and a mere bones on me. A crank out by the walk, crack on a corner school, my I don't know. I did no school, one I say. Any diago. Shady Acoba.
It was how give your precious no. Precious, Miss Sony Wow.
Eh, sometimes me send a may dinner my day. My money trim ko ba wa ko fa ba ne de asanto precious onyo get no onye e me depends afi na school mu amatemase de nti am ne ge ne jai a me mpese me hu neni me obeje di say time a wonye nkofo ni nyina nso tora no hia na so ototo ano ne ade no say precious be catch me say ono kwan bi obefa so a onwo school mu bia Scanty class hey, pressure now the way nyame. I won't was saying.
Scanty, dear, me sure so only no issue now.
Asantua, precious, send me precious as me issue in could do this level. Me time say me time precious go at least me not trim na dante be then na tiny do this level. Hey, precious onye. Na time me precious one some okay can far. Only me offer ho ne fanfula ho kire me kra.
Sir,
I want to start a time. Now, get no person of poison.
Sir,
no, so no person of poison, but on now, so when ya was a morning relationship be any muntimum bit to say, did you and I said, or better, they are better. It's not on the way because the US said, Montoquaya or the piano she will, or the drink quickly. Next start, then starting new week. It's a sin. And you'll be our board also will be anti-seeing.
me because Nicola, maybe me issue more on baby. Or catch him so be punch me by no shame him.
Obiara no catch you.
Obiara no catch me.
As I'm told, Mbisa was saying, and it's one higher precious. And a one shedder. On SS one shadow. And I, or you be baby say, school more crown my son, I'll be feel.
You feel guilty.
We am crabbish obey. We am best so to me, P. Obey on your okay. But him say precious, no sad in school has said, on when Pian show can on pressure.
Hey!
Nam say, eh, not just a man, no can no problem until I can't say your freedom on drain away.
You want to do anything?
On drain away.
Hey, precious.
Yeah, it's a one who's a no. Girl, no man, trim and one. You bet me, dear Emma, and your papa. Look what the no problem are, or no beef Bianca, me problem. Now, crown will show him why anything. I then one target or target your crowd. Sa wo abewu na ye ne ye use me so ko mu fi awon bad records age we wo gu wonom sa won school mu ano ono nya half caste we free o
so bi hu no ni mu so you free
o je wiki das onto a nti me de me justice guy me pese baby anokreda na de ato me on de obeyi age no so no ya na ofom no be fom bi no do baby obefasa ya oni bia ma je no fam
Scanty
asantoa mafia girl no twena so mafia no
baby chain I said the way the asa wo be peme no mu say to you Scanty
asantoa me pro no say wanye makwala boso me nkro no bi de dakoro 30 seconds ayi say me na me fa dwumbo ni she otiri boso me nkro mu ntosuo tete atete emu obo ebe funu ndakora wuntimi nda no bi de 30 seconds do boni no sa na mo ka se me de ma anye kra na nkenye me
sa no sa de no mo ka na say I don't know where no any day osheda akwa uta sene nkede akwa beji ni o school mu ana we de na nkra no ba akokra nka yi na de nkra no mo ye say ya
say go meet my triplet and ask me Today, as I'm to a mafia.
Yeah, I'm the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with me, yeah. Me person me come any months so Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray.
Hey, hi girl.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. You're looking beautiful this evening.
Thank you.
Hey, precious.
Then
P for prayer.
B for Venice.
Hey,
Yeah,
you're really looking good.
suspicious. So.
Oh, because you are beautiful this evening, that's why.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, precious. I learned you and Scanty are no more dating.
Oh yeah, we've broken up.
Really?
Yes.
Since when?
Oh, it's been long.
It's been long.
Oh yes.
How long?
I can't really tell, but it's been long.
1 month, 2 months.
Yeah, 1 month.
Hey, you are a very smart girl.
Scanty, from day one, I knew he wouldn't help me. But I thought maybe things would change and then he might become a better person. But
So you knew?
oh, I thought you'd become a better person.
Yeah, I thought you didn't know anything about that. I wanted to tell you that guy is a scam. He wouldn't help you. But since it's love issue, I can't talk about it, you see.
Or you could have.
No. Nipa me no assembly. Means me can. Also that assembly is different. You get it? It's different from friendship or any other thing.
Yeah.
Oh, but you feel it down well.
I
Hey.
know.
So who gave you that courage to go and tell him that you don't want to date him
You see,
again?
sometimes when you're going through something bad, you yourself, you have to know when to get out.
Hey, but the old chair one guy na no open.
Oh.
Hey, P for prayer. You know that guy, he wanted to propose to me.
Yeah.
Shit.
When we were dating?
Yes.
Hey.
That's why he was always talking to me. Benes, you are my paddy. We lose her. For the chica from Scanty.
Scanty. I think he can date anything. Not even
Anything.
Not just in scare, anything.
He's not selective at all. Hey! But he's a nice guy. Why is he doing that?
Nice. Maybe in your eyes.
Oh, he is. Oh, because you don't love him again. That's why you're saying he's
I
not
can't
nice
see
or
him
what?
to be nice anymore.
Because you don't love him
Yes.
again. Hey, Emmanuel.
Oh, how?
But first you loved him. So what happened today? You didn't love him because
so
it's nice, but it's smart. You've done well. P for prayer.
B for Venice.
Okay, I'm coming to the hostel.
Okay, I'll see you later
then.
Bye.
Bye.
Yo, Jay,
Yeah, Charlie.
Precious came to me. Say, what kasa she saw name in kasa. Bro. And I made me a boy. Upon live, you are Charlie Monida. So I've thought about it. Say, I have to call you for us to settle this. Precious say me pay me home free when you are born.
Oh, yeah.
Mike. Please, I mean, my man, I aware that. And the moment I heard that Adams is my brother, and I'm who said, no. Precious, like, Brett, I mean, to me, and come move him, Charlie, my friend, and then I can. And yes, me, you know, ask me if you meet him, Keke, and I ignore, no. I've called and talked to her, say, politely, and I read, with peace. Charlie,
What's a Saturday and a queer son and queer blood covenanted. Oh, an idea be blood covenanted, no. Bro, Abraham, you so it's not make a chair and say, a catcher will say, Calvay and Cardi chum free miniano, Nancaminiano so near day, and chum free. But most a minian mum na swording. Aroma, boy. Near no seminian sword, but it's you have to help me,
bro. Upon live, piano, saying, come in, will be that idea we are me dead. You understand? The moment I mean, say, no. Adam's nene wabano. Adam's saying, "Any minute you can put a canoe lie, bro. In na ye play." But Adam's minute, only minute waba. So how far will we go, Charlie?
Anyone, I'm sure what me name because she mean you are not one upon boy.
Oh, no dear, Charlie. We ain't na
one boy.
Let's not talk about this.
I dear your parents will be on him now. Penas and no woe nearby. Ya fucking. We are seeing you in there. Nipa gun or life. Munuachu woe nearby, bro.
Hey, I say this meeting, no. a piece nearly for me.
A piece.
Oh yes, I was saying can't win now.
Say I na shame. E be see me trima na shame. So but Aroma, say no Mr. Help me and help you. Bro. Let's help our brothers.
Listen, I am ready to help you. So anyone with me and ban and kasa say no. Me my country no. And you say bia no lie.
Mati.
My friend Nina kasa yinti me.
Mati.
I'm one who so I don't want
to Mati. Mati, you will talk to my sister. Unfortunately, sometimes my sister, if I talk to
she know they understand.
She know they understand. She some way. She be some way.
I got you.
That be the thing where I can't tell Precious can't tell you. See,
tell me.
This is the.
I got you. I got you.
Alright. So, bro, what's it? Alright, me that say I make sure so say there now I can obey. Oh, what I say? Chalo, what's it?
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way.
Say na me smart. When so be sure no say just say na say oba kra sure no say just say.
What sure?
It's na debo common sense na any
oka kra ne say common sense.
Like na amba ni gidi me no won komo bi. Me say me na me person be bisa ba o say me bisa.
I'm komo be ni.
Then so say school ma me no. Very in team be brave. Okay, I'm a girls ni na edinko ba me no vibe be different.
Me cry dem.
Yes, me hu cry me for sister. Yeah, me fero me so fero. Obi a una nim la ya school mo nti umodu.
Lie be ya.
Una nim de we school mo nti umodu nti me fero.
Me nti ase ado pese odi matem.
Me ndi watem ba me say la ya school mo nti fero woni me fero pa. Nti me pese me dia.
Odi asem kwa odi ba odi ka.
Going on say stubbornness. Say me no me to me no any problem bia. Na ye den. Na utimi nanti ko precious. E ko ka kire ne say me Scanty ameti am ba be pew.
Why? O say me Benis.
Say Benis le jina me ni.
O say me nanti ko hwan chain.
Wan ko precious wan ko kan chen say me pew. Me sorry me pew.
Me Benis. Enye mia. Me patcho
na ko precious one ni ko din ko ka chen say me pew na me kwa se me nti huja wo su mu ana den.
Me Benis ma ko precious ni ma ka chen say wo Scanty wo so pemi.
Benis men di na men ti woni ra like yenye nkwala.
Yeah.
Yenye nkwala men ti woni ra wakoka asem no. Akoka che precious say me pew.
O pemi.
Da mimi bisa wasem.
Me ba o de unsi me de o pemi.
Eno ni another day.
Me se me nkan, enti na me yi wan say me nkan ye enti o pemi.
See Benis like when bisa me say no another day we bet me bisa me da foforo na mu do bisa me amin ti me ma answer. But say me kan say me pew. Nti e den na ko precious o ka chen say me
me patcho me nkan hwe.
Na wo de you school mu ha ya ye ntimi nkan me pewa me menya asomdwo school mu a
sa asem na o ka ne me mpesa o de na onim se meye
say me ka asem esi asem so wonya hwe nso ana
o ka esi de enso
me nu nim de e ka ba obeti oni ara ya me nso metime ni ara
me patcho me nya hwe right
school mu de na o
school mu a me ko school
okay no
e ba se e be sua de ana
eno
ana o ba se o be den
eno ano
me ba o ba se o be den
dem ba se me be sua de no masa atwempo
o ba se o be twempo na o major purpose so be twempo na me bo a
me sua de ka
we sua de ka ine patcho de o ka cho na na se de o te no me came bia
Benis serious you fa grown to start girl na can say no bibia che so kan na Benis say na wo ti o school na nsi hu wa piki suban bia Benis bibia che so kan na nsi ase menim de wo ye wo school ase na nsi hu ye nim bia on wo hu complain na nam school mu adi Benis bibia che so
kan de ka cho mo se maye
wo komo de kan de say just say ko pe library baby ntina na nya da agin en kasa
inti Scanty susu an pass precious and nanti abegina weni maka cho se me mitimi aka se mu inti nsu gidi
Benis na me ngin di o bai pe ni me bia ye nansen bia che so
inse me ba me hu ade na no kre na maba na mabeka cho se bia se ni se a me di boni ana maka boni
na ze no kwakra
me nkan no asem na me bisa
Benis me de me kan kosi na se me mpene to mpene no me nye me mpedededede se no kra jai
no
say no kra benis
me try oh
me nka so kan ba me se no kra na se wo trim se obeka kra benis no twa so because me school say me mpem wansem school mo nam no say nka apem kra nka mo ntia say ye mpem mo so mo de atoto ma no na mo keka say apem ana me say sanka ya bepewa eno kra nka mo ntia say o ba ye mpem mo na mo de atoto ma na mo kana scanty so opem na say say me my cheap nto ba bia no akogi no ka say me say me say me
why cheap
because the man nyane mama ya wo benes o e dey not me ko catch obi say me pe o
then na wo anga so melo homa o tini ni obi a twemp na o school mo
say me mefo me girls no muto ndo me kra da me kra na amunya me nti na say my cheap ade no amfa my dear mo sai me na me ni mo ha say me say me pe most work can say
I said the way o kasa na it seems like when you broken heart be
me nya broken heart benes when am dey because say my hwen mama won abeke kan sem we say me ni baba mo so na dey bia da
me hwe hwe girl no onu we ja ntiti ase so onu we ja ntiti na oba ode ni brebe so me
benes hwe nya wa asem dey me kan kwesi say jai so una ma kan sem bi say jai benes me no mienu nim so what counts on can you jai
me pa cho mate why me pa cho me nkan hwe na mpese me nkan
ana sa happen asem no like that fofo ebedi hu nkomo na ma hwe se me pa na
pa cho me mpel why
me ka sa me pa me si ebedi hu nkomo na me do ye den
me mpel
me do ye den
o to me do ye den cheap boy
to say
oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months adwa meya oh lord I pray that I will fulfill my wish
oh Seer, how are you doing? Like see me hu a na say my heart will start melting. You have no idea of how I'm really deep in love with you.
Are you sure?
Hey Seer. Oh God. Oh, I really love you.
Love you too.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I love you too. Then I've been admiring my ring. My ring is so nice.
Yeah.
I've been admiring it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Seer, I'm not so sure. Like, any school mu how? School mu any community I'm free. Like me so bad out. Me so bad. And do you know say I make one surprising thing in show. When say school mu how? One thing about school mu how. When say me uncle try there wa. Na the last time in the bus school mu and I'm who say on campus. So me who am ka say one thing about school mu. It's me buy you know. Now I didn't know how to approach you. And me share that I'm doing nam precious soon and this and way na. So finally, let me say me pay better access. Once to the any questions. I said, let me show. The other told them. The other told them. The other some. Yes, yeah. Say you see cute girl. Let me feel.
So the whole school I'm cute.
The whole school are cute. Oh yeah. Like cute, don't make cute girls from outside girls. But I want to cute and white friend. I want cute and white friend. That's what my kiss. Short cases.
And I know where to yeah. It's okay.
She won't tell you. See, I like that now.
You should have calmed down a little.
We should even make her jealous. I was saying, no crown. Like, I said, like, yeah, that man, action no more. Do you know how I mean this girl? Opa, me boy school, me impel. What the one she share me sama. Dipa me don't know crown.
To son is so.
See, I me who dey me impel no. Impel no man ya. Oh, see. Said the way I love you. When him say, my friend be the be at mom. Mama na your mama.
For you, teacher me.
Oh, say. Do you know say me Muslim? The local or your local dialect. So because your friend is that. Your best friend.
Okay.
Ajia Budinchi. So because Abindadi. But you was here later. Because Ajia Budinchi is Abindadi. Ajia Budinchi. Ajia Budinchi.
You see, what I want to say. No point in BBAD. You were inside Namini Bibi Mawana. Biddy day.
Yeah, pepper soup.
Say,
Pepper soup.
me fan and men in your mind. Ibia. Okay, we do how pound. How papa. Ide kafa wati. Na me bao. Nka eni von na oni menyim. Ti me ti say so ba na wo ni dey say tun black pound. Na se von dey nko ni pa ko ntene na oba na wo yetinye tuntun sa.
Venice. Na asemo ebesi mu sen. Ube me mwana se ube hurumi anase.
Minti minhu.
Na sema okay die.
There be bisa me ti say so ba no wo ni say tuntun go so dey so eni pa kokko.
Beni say ja. Why? Ja so musu. Ja. That's bad.
Sa gene pa de hey. Asantwa. Get wait me do dem say. Eni easy o. Wait me anyim. Akabenezer 2 weeks ama wawo. Wait me say unyin say eni easy o. Ti say again no yen dey.
Yen dey say.
Entu jana manako.
Beni say me hu shedan to me ntino. Pese me hu.
Dey so hu bibi ma no. Obi edu bolisi house o pese won to wansana. Ana o de only me wan bre won.
Me hu bibi ma no say.
So ni dey make am. Oba na make am. Oba nipa. Akwa na show yem na make am, no asem na make am.
Beni is why you wicked do.
You want say you say ni dey onye wicked.
There be some expect so because asem we because who dey at least only ni a free kaka.
Ti asem na make am no ntie. Pe bibi da kwa bia yo host na o dia won enfin ana so wan bibi ama no simple. Onno wenya no ho de o nam school mu a wenya no ho de nam school mu a odidi oda bibi aha no na o ti he. Nfa ho adwen.
Come so dey am power. Because I say why do baby and orphan.
What I say? Get le di on ho to a. Nto so yes smart na o pe bibi.
O pia me pa me to say the missis no my asem we no.
Na do ko di na tem na mani pia wa na se den na o ye.
Di di na tem be.
Enti wo ye ni
den. So ya no pese onye ne hu bibi ncho. Me so na yesa na me unim say asem ye mesi me. Te den am so. So
fan che no.
Me ka ye me pia wo ne ka me ka agro no minim say agro. Me hu ya so wa me Mississippi mo me ti abo.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso drum me yeah.
I want to talk to you, come.
Are you okay?
Come, I want to talk to you.
Precious, are you okay? Come here, I want to talk to you.
I want to talk to you.
Come here. address me when I'll come. Come here, I want to talk to you. Come here. The bar knows I catch and say you are drunk. Come here, I want to talk to you.
So you won't come?
Just address me when I'll come.
Come here.
Just greet me, Scanty. Good evening, please. I want to talk to you, then I'll come.
I want to talk to you.
Add, please. Just add, please, and I'll come.
Go. Go.
For your stupidity sake. I want to.
Then I think you will come. Scanty, what is wrong with you?
Like how?
I want you to tell me what's wrong with you, because I don't understand. You keep on doing things that no normal person would do.
Why? Have I been announcing on this campus that something is wrong with me?
No, but some actions are showing that you are not okay.
And if I'm not okay, how does that concern you? Huh?
Oh, it concerns
if something is wrong
me.
with me and I'm not okay, how does that concern you?
It concerns me a lot. Because when you send your abnormality to somebody, it's going to affect the whole school. When you send it to Aroma will be hurt. And I care about him. When you send it to Ama will be hurt.
You are the most
Do you understand?
stupid ex that I've never seen in this world. You are the most senseless ex-girlfriend.
That is what you say.
Hey.
That is what you say because I have broken up with you. That is all you can say. That's not why I stopped you. Why are you kind of having an affair with Seer? Huh? What is going on between you two?
Affair with who?
Seer. And he's coming to deny her.
Me? Yes, yeah. Huh? Hey. You better watch your mouth. Me and Seer.
Why you want to hate me?
I don't want to hate you, but you better watch your mouth. Huh? Me and Seer. What's going on between me and Seer? Huh?
There's nothing going on between you and Seer.
Hey!
Why are you looking around? Are you embarrassed?
Embarrassed like how?
You know what you went in for. So why are you acting all...
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
So talk personally.
What is going on?
If I don't take care, you give me problem.
What is going on?
Nothing is going on. Why? And what have you heard? What have you seen?
So there's nothing going on between you and Seer.
There's nothing going on. Why?
Adams, why are you like this?
Precious, talk fast.
You know that your brother is Aroma. And Aroma has dated Seer. So why do you have to date Seer?
So your common sense should tell you that. Your common sense should tell you that Aroma is my junior brother. He's my younger brother. And I can't go in for Aroma's ex-girlfriend.
Exactly. So why are you doing it? Since you know that is common sense, then why are you not applying the common sense?
So where's your evidence? What am I doing? Where's your evidence?
I saw you guys. You think I didn't see you?
Bring your voice down. You saw us first. Just pretend as if you didn't see anything. Just like how I'm pretending as if there's nothing going on. You didn't see us. Where's your evidence? I knew you were going to spread this news.
I've not spread anything.
Evidence? Automatically,
Adams, I have hurt you enough. I have slapped you. I have beaten you. I have done all that. I don't want to hurt you.
You know,
why do you keep lying?
That was the time when I was in love with you.
So when I hit you, I'm not going to...
I swear to God, Precious. Swear to God.
Wow, see an abnormal person. See. Who does this? Who does this? Oh, Adam.
Let this be your last one.
Adams. Adams, I'll hit you.
You hit me. Try me.
Adams.
Try me.
Adams.
Come close. Come close.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with your me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray let I will fulfill my wish.
Santiago. Good afternoon. That's the same. Oh. No me now way. Be PA for storage. Bana mesi it's one mesi no I'm ready we share undidi na mesi me told you na the bro
Scanty
told you off na chicken be bro.
Oh
What's a mere mobile?
Scanty, let me so my same serious.
Sometimes I mean that school money is a person. Once I may probably say most school Ninjine demanding pientino, or money is a poor master.
Oh, where do you fetch me what?
Oh, neighbor. As on to our own, sir. Yes, wrong. Once we are young. Ujari in a busy America. Once a school. Now, Kufuni, and that's why Uncle Funa back. Oh, you are. It's meeting now on China Crown, sir. Like, or Chechino, bare 5 minutes. Be as well, no PH out.
Scanty. A seminar, what can you say? I say, I sent to her now who are the four.
Some to an hour of form. Then to I want to play wicked. School play wicked.
Von cramming in any more. The way I all care about me, you can't call me sample.
Sir,
I swear.
see, you situation now by a von. On shoe carrying down back.
Bahaka, few minutes no call. Say, give your better name, say, be a me here, be an answer, say, an overture, near brain. Say, yet, school names, the headmaster, mom, betrayed you, and their brain.
School nurse called Otodian by Menji. Sad Jacob Salu, Otodian Ebrewa, Menji. No better to a jive. Be out to a Ebrewa had school nurse. No bet Timmy Crass are for men, personal can answer. Personal can answer, one cried the man can answer. As on to her. Emio, as on to her, so who told her school more. Motrimonye ten. As on to so trimonye den we are swinging in che. So what I say, we are silent killer. No, dear nam you swa. Unam sa tibia we won me dem body. Ba wa unim dear nam you swa nam sa tibia we. As on to ade be me cry ya say sene like oyare me chichiro re me show carry na ohun beto. Now this any pan who be channel kwase one day onko.
Scanty me function no. As a mashaba na ma relax me person me.
You say according na abutre. You say according na abutre na honto. Na honto wa. Cheni segi. Mafia no school mu a. What you say tete no ma manem fire obi ma no school mu ano. Wanam kra ohumi ensi so.
She say the mesifa had na adwene no. School no big chai, it is a big chai.
And if I need wicked, sir.
Scanty, wow. Then, will be cast a girl with bed time to this extent and come in you.
Eh. Also, Santo told you be a wandering bonnet. Santo, I mean, a very good, very calm. In Kayada, you wandering bonnet, because all the air. Now, Santo, I soon as Kiko. When you was shake out the same quan. Out me do young bonnet, near the Dawano, Mafia Gary, Mema fire.
No, to say, was I proud of it? I'm sorry, me that's how I
saw God in ye be a man.
Sure.
Maybe the Otimiswana. Oh, sorry. Nasanto, when there's Ashima Kumakasi. Once I saw the we are into women by preps. A dream many a corporate span near Tehonum Suya de our own. Not precious be rare class for Allah and a precious was say, oh, Allah was say, oh. Now, boys girls will be among the fans. Allah was say, oh, precious was say, oh, is it? And it took me any den on also just on also. Or bad and basin to wipe on post.
Oh,
a bassa meet it, Rose and as unto Michelle San in issue. Some say. John Kunipan or man of Fatty Biawi and Pana, ye Joe soon near mouth France Nessai out there. Yes, as where they coin.
so the difference.
The difference. Yes, I'm from baby. I wait me do near we see. Now, the difference now, yes, I out there.
Scanty, well, who crank you?
Santo again, there's all mafia. Meaning Pabonini, but I did be our area.
Well, who crank you? Oman Pies and my home told me that I'm a hot Tommy say Kim. Well, your nature's was son and Yamina, won't Jan or Pecro, and Jan and Yamano. School had one Yanni.
Yes.
Hey, Adams, look. If you want to cause problems for me in this school, I'll show that I can stress your life more than me. Adams, I'm speaking and I'll hit your phone out of your hand. Since when did you become friends with Asantua?
How dare you ask me that question?
How dare you too? Adams, Skununu, how dare you too?
Right, what have you heard or what have you seen?
What have I heard as in what? Adams, since when were you friends with Asantua? Explain your case. I did not come to be asked questions. I came to confront you for my answers. Adams.
Okay,
Adams,
simply,
look.
I have nothing to do with Asantua. She's just our colleague and that's it. So,
Adams, if she's your colleague, then don't move with her. Don't be friends with her. Don't speak with her. I don't want to see you around her.
you don't want to see me around Asantua?
Adams, I know you're a wicked guy. I know you are wicked.
Since you know I'm a wicked guy, then you should watch how you talk to me. You should mind how you talk to me, Amfula. Just mind how you talk to me. Today, I'm in a good mood. I'm in a peaceful mood. That's why I'm not here to fight with you. So I would just leave it for you to then you leave. I'm not here to fight with you. Just be careful.
Adams, mami ke bi benchira. Ama mi gina dey. Me mami kala no ndada o, ami suba no ndada o. Adams, ami mi ye shege tu. Ami famfula mi ye shege. Akene ke bisa me master ndo tikinya so nde ami adebe na me de yen. On push am cause ami mi ye shege. Na awa mi ni ugina class. Awa Adams, Adam de be ye ono.
Sir, Von, who bit my shake, you bit my giddy no do conquer, sana we shake na by ye, the ebe ni say no. You best show. The ebe na under gin, we best show. So just stop that your unnecessary drama. Huh? So when some near Santua, didn't come on and say Santua no like me the name coin. Asantua no me the name coin.
Adams, if you won't take her anywhere, then don't speak with her at all. I came to give you a warning. I know your attitude. I know how you are. You love destroying things, and I will not make you destroy anything else.
So you came to give me a warning.
Do you think you are smart?
So what if I don't stop talking to her? Or what if I don't stop going near her?
Then you bear the consequences.
I'll bear the consequences. From who?
Adams.
From who?
From who? Miss Ame mention me kalana original me the phone. You how the tone ye dey appeal.
Crowd the school crowd the sen kan crowd.
Oh, I will bet my dey appeal.
Why say be yare for no your secular be crowd. You pa wo na mama yin say. Crowd the son kan.
How the can dey appeal.
Nti we wi.
Adams.
Ye na kuno be nsem na secular gina head in come.
Adams say the chon.
For nanti antos na me.
Adams say chon. Chon.
Let's boy like you.
Leave. Benin so that kasankuti na pedeka wait ko why the opel astra ne bompa awo